Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Ayesha Curry recently enjoyed a vacation in what she described as a paradise with her husband Stephen Curry and their son Canon Curry. Ayesha told her social media fans, I had the best 48 hours in paradise with my man and my little man." The celebrity also uploaded the picture of her husband and son that were nothing short of cute. The Stephen said when sharing what he loved most about his wife, her creativity and her passion for sharing her gift with the world. She built it pretty much out of nothing, with an idea of just sharing recipe out of her own kitchen with the one single camera, and yet she had given building what I call an empire. And she said the partner's entrepreneurship. Aisha told her husband during the interview, "Thank you, baby. For me, it's watching him balance it all." The businesswoman said, what discussing what he loved about her spouse. "They say balance doesn't exist. But I am closest to him on a daily basis, and I literally watch him balance it all and never complain a day in his life. Some days that makes me jealous because I am watching everything that he is doing, and I don't understand how he is managing it and with such grace and class and ease." Thank you.